Want to enable disabled apps on your Android phone? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find and enable any disabled app on your Android device in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, tap on Manage Apps. Now, scroll through the list of apps, or use the search icon at the top to quickly find the app that you want to enable. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open its settings page. If the app is disabled, you'll see an Enable button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on Enable, and that's it. The app will be enabled immediately and ready to use again. If you don't see the app in the list, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and make sure all apps are being shown. Then, search for the app once again. After enabling the app, you can go back to your home screen or app drawer and open it normally. And that's all. You've successfully enabled a disabled app on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.